In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put your Shopify store under construction, effectively hiding it from visitors while you're building or updating, and instead displaying a coming soon or under maintenance page. This can be a very useful method to ensure your store looks polished and professional when you do launch it to public visibility. There's a straightforward way to accomplish this using Shopify's built-in features, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to log in to your Shopify admin. This is your control center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, navigate to the Online Store section and click on Preferences. Here, you should scroll down to find the Password Protection or Store Access section. What we're aiming to do is restrict access to your store so that visitors will not see your full website, but rather a placeholder page. To do this, you'll need to enable or check the box that says Restrict Access to Visitors with a Password, or something similar. This feature is very handy as it lets you work on your store behind the scenes without worry. Now, you'll need to set a password. This is crucial not only for security, but also so that you or others you choose to share it with can still view your site while it's under wraps. In the message box provided, craft a friendly note. Something like, "Our store is under construction, coming soon." This message is what visitors will see when they land on your store's homepage. Don't forget to click Save. It's an easy step to overlook in the flurry of activity, but it's important to lock in all the changes you've just made. With these settings in place, any visitor to your store will now land on the password page instead of being able to browse your full site. Now, let's talk a little about customization. You'll want your Coming Soon page to represent your brand well. For this, head back to Online Store, and this time go to Themes and select Customize. In the Page Selector dropdown, choose the Password page or Other options, and then go to Password. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Adjust the layout, header, text, images, and other elements to suit your brand aesthetics. This ensures that your visitors get a sneak peek of what your brand is all about, even when they can't see your main store. This method is widely used by many Shopify users to create an attractive, coming soon or under construction page, maintaining professionalism and intrigue while keeping everything under wraps until you're ready to unveil your store. By following these actionable steps, you can ensure a smooth transition to your store's grand opening. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.